Hello everyone, it's your boy Tounchi Damz from Zambia. I'm so happy to participate in Krak Teminato contest. Thank you.
What up? My name is Damz.
Krak Teminato.
Listen to my song, listen right. If I never make it, cause I made it right. But listen to my songs, I listen right. The thought as if I won't make it, I make it right. But listen to my songs and you listen right. The thought as if I won't make it, now I made it right. You listen to my songs and you listen right. Thought I won't make it, now I made it right. Listen to my songs and you listen right. So that is the more to make I make it right. Listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I make it right. But listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I made it right. Alright, I remember when my mama was just born, I'd be thinking it twice because I hear it go. Okay, I remember when my mom was alive, trying to kill in the type of shit about her life. Cause somebody trying to help me, somebody trying to fix me, or maybe looking straight into my eyes, I could have fixed this. I pray to God, it's pretty good because you know I can hear it now. Cause I've been talking what you're talking about, maybe be looking around, let me hear it right. I thought as if I never make it, now I make it right. Those people used to hear me, now they think they get it right. Or maybe I never knew this is how I could've do it. I tryna do it, you do it the way you could've do it. You keep on praying to God until now you could make it. When you make it, you feel good, this is made it. Many people thought as if you never make it, now you made it right. They keep on not practicing. Listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I make it right. Listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I make it right. They listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I make it right. They listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I made it right. Wow, I keep on crying all day. Oh God Almighty, praise and pray all day. I wish I could not see my career all night. Somebody's trying to pray for me, I hear it all the time. Wish mama's still alive, I wish mama's still alive. That's right, or maybe I never trying to do it right. I remember the time they died, I was just young. I don't even remember the day I made it time. I always now get it right. When somebody could scream mama, papa, somebody gotta do it when I hear the papa. Cause somebody tryna hold me because they're eating papas. Then you look around me when I hear these matters. You told me this is how we could do it. You come to the competition when I hear you do it. Destiny, you could make it. When you make it, you feel good. This is made it. Many people thought as if you never make it. Now you made it right. They keep on not practicing. Listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I make it right. Listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I make it right. They listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I make it right. They listen to my songs and you listen right. They thought I won't make it, now I made it right. Wow, I keep on crying all day. Oh God Almighty, praise and praying all day. I wish I could not see my career all night. Somebody's trying to pray for me, I hear it all the time. Wish mama's still alive, I wish mama's still alive. That's right, or maybe I never trying to do it right. I remember the time they died, I was just young. I don't even remember the day I made it time. I always now get it right. When somebody could scream mama, papa, somebody gotta do it when I hear the papa. Cause somebody tryna hold me because they're eating papas. Then you look around me when I hear these matters. You told me this is how we could do it. You come to the competition when I hear you do it. Destiny straight out into my veins. Cause somebody tryna tell me when about the verse. When I read the verse, can I move the verse? Before I read the verse, I need to move the verse so that everybody nigga can be okay. You just close your eyes, I know you just be okay.
Krak Teminato.
Tounchi.